the decade, India has witnessed an increase in hate crimes and hate speeches. Hate speeches have even started taking place on the floor of the parliament. Politics and electoral campaigns have started taking place based on hate crimes instead of development problems like corruption, education, violence against Dalits and minorities, and increasing prices among other important issues. To fight against hate politics, the Welfare Party of India Karnataka chapter has organized a statewide campaign, SHUN HATRED, Save Nation, from November 1st to November 10th. The campaign will launch on 1st November with Kannada flag hoisting across the state. Over the 10 days, several seminars, bike rallies, public programs, webinars, corner meets, press releases, handbills distribution, and street plays will be organized. The Welfare Party of India stated that it believes that the protection of the Constitution and the welfare of our people are the foremost objectives of national goals. It also added, "We must raise ourselves from petty issues and decisively confront these communal forces. Only by loving each other and extending our compassion to one another, a society or nation is bound to prosper."
So today we have conducted this press meet to address a very serious issue in the country, that is hate politics, which was started since when Babri Masjid was demolished, and the then BJP party leaders, they started this hate campaign in the country, and that hate campaign continuously reached to up to this level. Now the hate and this false news spreading, both together, it is damaging the fabric of our country. Though our country is a very democratic country, and it's very famous for the peaceful nature of the citizens, but today this hate politics is damaging that fabric. And the political parties, they are using this hate tool to reach to their goals. So that is why Welfare Party of India, Karnataka, we have decided to oppose, to raise our voice against this hate politics. And by raising our voice, we wanted to have a campaign from 1st of November to 10th November of 23. And during this campaign, we will go to the people, we will meet people, we will talk to the media, we will address symposiums, seminars. Through all this, we will try to convince the people, we will try to communicate the message that this hate politics will going to damage the fabric of country, it will damage our brotherhood, our peace-loving nature of the country. That's why we are organizing a campaign, SHUN HATRED, Save Nation. This is the title of our campaign. This campaign will go long for 10 days, and during this campaign we are appealing to the masses that this is not a campaign of particular a party, but this is the campaign of throughout whole Karnataka, whole Kannadigas. We all together have to participate in this, and we have to raise our voice, we have to stop this hate politics, and we have to bring back our that peaceful and loving culture back in our country. There are different type of programs, as I said. We will also conduct bike rallies, awareness to aware people. We also conduct corner meetings. We also distribute handbills. We also conduct seminars and symposiums where we will gather intellectual peoples. We will also conduct public programs at 4 regions, that is Gulbarga, Raichur, Bangalore and Mangalore, 4 regions. We will conduct public programs also, and our main intention is we will reach to the people and convince them that this is the duty, this is the right time that we have to raise our voice against this hate politics. What we consider is this is also the part of hate politics. This fake news, spreading the fake news, and without any investigation, trying to tag these type of incidents to a particular community without any investigation. This is also the part of a hate campaign, and particularly this Republic channel, which is running now, also it is running. When the facts are coming out, even then this Republic channel is continuously running, and our flags also they are using, Welfare Party flags, because we conducted a very mammoth rally in Kerala, standing with Palestine. To connecting with that rally, this Republic channel is continuously spreading fake news, false news, and by this they are trying to spread hatred. We are consulting with our legal experts, and we will take necessary action regarding this.
Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.